Good morning, shark fans. Today, we're going to discuss the largest shark of all time, the Megalodon. And stick around for the end of the video as I'll show you the Megalodon monster truck I saw at Cedar Point recently. So, did you know that some sharks may live up to 400 years? That's right, scientists believe that the Greenland shark is estimated to live more than 4 centuries. Let's look at some great shark clips while we discuss. First, let's talk about bioimmortality. That's the concept that an animal's cells can replicate indefinitely. So, as long as there's a food source and a lack of predators, an animal could conceivably live for thousands, if not millions of years. So what if some ancient sharks were bioimmortal? That would mean a single megalodon, once thought to be extinct, could still exist and be feeding somewhere around the bottom of the ocean. Imagine a 50-foot shark lurking in the deepest, darkest waters of the Pacific. What's even scarier is that due to its age, it could have been growing larger and hungrier for thousands of years. Sounds crazy, but the oceans continue to surprise scientists with new discoveries all the time. So move over, Godzilla, this would be the new king of monsters. So stick around for a word from Thynergy, and I'll show you that monster truck Megalodon I was talking about. You can actually ride it.
Hi guys, I'm Tori, aka That Tori Girl, and welcome to my channel. What is your diet fitness routine like? I do Orange Theory Fitness. My diet is all over the place. I try to do low carb, but obviously I have good days and bad days, you know. Hey guys, what is up? Tori Suicide here. I want to give a big shout out to everyone who is using Thynergy to help lose some weight. High five to you guys. If you're not using Thynergy, what are you doing? It is a great way to keep slim and trim. Really awesome to implement into your regular exercise and fitness goals. So check out Thynergy and let me know what you think.